Simon Cowell's a busy man. It's been announced that undisputed king of talent shows is starting a brand new search, this time for DJs. Oh, none of that. Psycho's teaming up with Will Smith and his wife Jada Pinkett Smith's entertainment company Overbrook to launch the new show, which is described as a new live international format to find the world's greatest DJs. Simon says DJs are the new rock stars and that the time's right to make the show. According to Jada, the show will comb the world to find a new breed of talent. Makes it sound like a genetically modified Crufts. So what do reigning talent show champs Little Mix think of their Overlord's new plan?
That's really cool.
Yeah, that's really new as well.
Yeah. There's a lot of good DJs out there as well, so I think
DJ.
Well, if they're happy, so are we. DJs of the world, get ready. Simon's coming.